Great American eclipse. It's almost here. It's a little more than a week away, and millions of people across America will be getting a great view of the total eclipse.
Now, this natural phenomenon has often been shrouded in mystery. Local 10's Nicole Perez has a look at the history of the eclipse.
It's the Great American Eclipse, and all of the people of the United States can go drive to see it. Makes it spectacular.
Knowing where to watch the eclipse means the difference between seeing totality and just a partial eclipse.
Well, we're not going to see a total solar eclipse, so a day will not turn into night for us here. We're only going to see 78% coverage. But those in the actual eclipse path will see totality, and they'll see the stars during the daytime, which is a pretty moving type thing.
The 2017 solar eclipse's path of totality will cross the continental U.S., and millions of people are expected to watch the sun disappear behind the moon. As far as superstitions from ancient times.
And in Turkey, where there were battling clans, they were battling, and all of a sudden a solar eclipse occurred. And they took that as a sign from the gods that they should not be fighting, so they laid down their arms. The war ended, and they went back to their farms, and people's lives were saved.
With scientists predicting this eclipse, Dr. Webb hopes people put a little more faith in science.
Knowing that we can predict eclipses like this, and they come off just as predicted as scientists predicted hundreds of years ago, might hope to restore faith of the general public in science and what scientists do.
So if you really want to watch the solar eclipse and you don't have a place to do it, you can head right here to FIU, the Kendall campus. Dr. Webb will be giving a little lecture, and there will be telescopes set up and even music playing. So you can head right here to the Stalker Astro Science Center, or you can head to astroscience.fiu.edu for more information. In Miami, I'm Nicole Perez, Local 10 News.